What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name's Greg and today we're cooking some filet mignons. Let's get to it and hope y'all enjoy. Alright, so the first thing I did is what you want to do is you want to get your filet mignons and you go ahead and season it with kosher salt, preferably 24 hours in advance, but you don't have to. But I already seasoned mine with kosher salt. If you do, put it on a tray where air could get up underneath it and everything. Put it in the fridge for 24 hours or however long you can. Let it sit. It gives it a nice little, hardens it up a little bit, takes all the moisture out. And yeah, season it with salt, let it rest, and then pull it out whenever you're ready to get to cooking. Alright, so what we're going to be cooking on is the Weber slate. And we're going to go ahead, I'm going to go ahead and turn this on. I'm probably just going to get 2 burners going for now. Probably only really need 1, but I want to heat this up fast. And we're going to be cooking on a skillet. So I got this going. I'm going to get it nice piping hot, and I'm going to go finish seasoning the steak now. Alright, so the next step, so we're going to come over here. That's the wrong one. That's the right one. You're going to get some black pepper, cracked black pepper. You're going to get this. We're just going to throw a little bit, just a nice little coat of black pepper on. Flip it. So, throw down a little bit, mix it up, get your sides, as so, and then you're just going to throw it back on the tray. We're going to do that to all of these. A bit of black pepper, pat it in, flip, pat, a little bit, throw it, get your sides, as so. Next one, good steak, you don't need to, you don't need all that crazy seasoning. You can if you like it that way, but sometimes to mix it up, all you need is a good salt and pepper. As so. Last one. As so. Shuffle it up. Just like that. Put it on, and then now we just got to go wait for the grill to get nice piping hot. Alright, and so while we're waiting on that to get hot, what we can do is get you what you're gonna base your steak in, which is some rosemary, some thyme, and some butter. So we got 4 pieces of steak, so I'm gonna go ahead and prep 4 of each. So it's just ready to knock in and go. Got me a nice little butter knife here. This is cold butter, so it's kind of harder to cut. So you got 1, 2. Go ahead and open this up. I can't stand butter wrapping. So annoying. Oh my gosh. You kidding me? Come on. There it goes. We're just splitting it in half because we're gonna have to do it 4 times because we have 4 things. 3, 4. Get your thyme right here. Just grab you a little pinch. You don't need a lot, about that much. Do that. 2. That's good. 3, and that'll be good. Maybe a little bit more. 4 there. Alright, then we're going to grab some rosemary. Rosemary is pretty strong, so you don't need too much of that. 1. It's a good piece. 2. Sorry about that, battery died. Anyway, rosemary. Back to that. You don't need that much. Boom, 4. So we got thyme, rosemary, butter. Thyme, rosemary, butter on all 4. Then we're going to get us some garlic. Do 2 per. So I need 8 pieces. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to do, push it till you hear a pop. So we got some crushed garlic. go. Come on. There it is. There it is. There it is. Get that out of here. Boom. Boom. Alright, so now we got everything ready. Go throw this away and go see what that grill's temperature's at. Alright, so we got the griddle nice where it's starting to smoke, so that's what you want. It's just hit it with the thermometer gun, and we're sitting at 430, 440 ish, 450, depending on where you hit. So now what you're gonna do is you're gonna get some high temp oil. So I got me some avocado oil. You're just gonna do nice drizzle as so. Put that down, let that heat up, which is already hot, and then give it like a couple seconds. So yeah. So meanwhile, while we got time, if you don't mind, subscribe, because most of y'all are not subscribed. So if you don't mind, it's free. It doesn't hurt y'all any, and it helps me a lot. Hit that like button, and yeah. All right. So now we got our steak. So what we're doing is we're just getting a crust on it. So I'm gonna put it here and push down lightly, as so. And you're gonna let that sit for about 1 minute. So I'm gonna pull out my phone, because I can't count to 60, I reckon. I'm gonna let it go for about 1 minute. Then I'm gonna flip. In the meantime, I'm gonna run and get me some tongs. All right, so it's been 1 minute, so I'm gonna grab it and flip it, set it in that oil, just like that. Push it down. And the reason why you push it down is because you want the whole surface of the bottom of the steak to be touching the whole pan itself. So you push it down to give it that good surface so it cooks evenly and gives it that nice crust. As you can see, it's got a pretty decent crust. I mean, it's flaky. I can hear it with my finger. So now this is gonna go for another minute. And then we're gonna roll it on its sides. Get the sides, it's not gonna be as good as the top and bottom, but it's just gonna be a little bit of something as you roll it. And then we'll do that to all of them. Then we'll get basting. All right, now it's been another minute. We'll take a look at that side. It's a little, it could probably go a little bit longer, as you say, as you cook it. It's gonna the temperature is gonna drop as you cook, right? Cold meat, hot, it's gonna drop temperature. So we're gonna wait for it, maybe a few more seconds. Get it a nice little crust on it. And then we'll do the sides. All right, so now it's got that nice crust, so I'm good with that. So we're gonna rest it on its side there for a minute, about 30 seconds. Do the other side. You're gonna do all 4 corners. So, of course, it's still gonna be raw in the middle. That's why the next step is to put it in the oven. Well, after we baste it. Just like that. That's what we're looking for. Just something, a little something. All right, so we got all 4 corners done. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take it off. I'll set it right there. Then we're gonna move on to the next one. I like to do, move it over, push, push, push. And as the temperature is dropping, you can increase your time on each side. So I might do a minute 30, look at it at a minute, see how it is. And then we'll flip it and repeat the process 3 more times. And then we'll move on to the next step. All right, so now we got all 4. Boom, we got nice little crispies everywhere. Now what we're gonna do is I got all the oil out of the pan. So we're gonna throw in 1 stick of butter and lower your heat. I lowered it all the way. Lower your heat. And then you're gonna throw this in, then run because it's gonna pop. Okay, I lied. This one's gonna pop. Okay, it's making me seem like I'm a liar. Whatever. Anyway, you're gonna let that, oh, there it goes. There it goes, see? Told you. So, making our base. Look at that. It's popping. I knew it wasn't lying. You're gonna want this to melt down all the way before you put your steak in it. As you know, we lowered our heat, but you don't want to wait too long. You don't want your butter to burn. So just keep it constantly moving. But yeah, oh my gosh, this smells so good. Steak goes great with rosemary and thyme. So those are your two key ingredients. All right, that's good enough. So now we'll get our steak, throw it on in there, and then I'm gonna get my little hot hand here. No, I'm not. I'm gonna go run inside super fast and grab a spoon. All right, so now got our spoon, and you're just gonna baste it. You're not gonna do this long. We're gonna do it for about a minute. Give it that nice, great flavor. Let it soak in. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Look at that. Don't underestimate the base. So good. So we're gonna sit here and do this to all of our steaks, and when you're done with it, we're gonna put it right back on that tray, because the next step is to go in the oven. Oh man, look at that. So now I'm gonna grab her, soak it up just like that. We'll put her on right there, and then grab this, just give it a little juice right on top, just like that. Just like that. And you're not going to put it in the oven this way, but just go ahead and grab all your thyme, rosemary and stuff, set it on top, just like that. So we're going to do that exact process 3 more times, and then we'll get to it. Alright, last one, the final touch. Look at that. And we'll just go over all these. So, perfect. I wish y'all could smell. Maybe one day they'll invent something where you can smell through watching, because that smells unreal. So now, the next step is what we're gonna do. Go inside, get the oven to 200 degrees Fahrenheit, preheat it, get it ready, and then whenever it's ready, these are going in. All right, so I got this nice little probe, Chef IO. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get our thickest steak, and in our thickest part, stick it right in the middle, all the way to the end, so. Just like that. Maybe a little bit more. There we go, just like that. And now, the oven is preheated to 200 degrees. We're gonna open it up. Oh yeah. I'm gonna stick it in there. So, close it up. And I have it set, so most people like their steaks medium rare. So we're gonna pull it out at 120 degrees. That's when we're gonna pull it out, and while it's resting, it's still gonna cook all the way up to medium rare. So I got it in, got my Bluetooth thermometer in, and we got our target goal. So all we gotta do now is wait. It should take about 15-20 minutes, and then we'll get there and let it rest. All right, so our steak temperature is at 120 degrees internally. It's time for these puppies to come out. Gosh, this smells so good. Oh yeah. Look at that. That looks beautiful. Nice. Looks so good. All right, so now I'm gonna turn the stove off, and I'm gonna set a timer for around 5 minutes. I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah, we're gonna set a timer for 5 minutes, let it rest for 5 minutes, and then we'll break into it and see how it tastes. Alright, so now we got our sides done. We got some mixed vegetables, we got some mashed potatoes. I'm just gonna go ahead and get that, put it on right there, and it's time to break into it. Alright, so now, let's see what it's looking like. Oh yeah, medium rare. Let's go ahead and cut some. You can see it's got a nice little gray ring, and then medium rare. That's how I like my steak. Cut me a thin little piece. Let's see how it's talking. See how it is. That's good medium rare. Oh yeah. Alright, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. That's how I make my steak. Well, actually, that's one of the ways I make my steak. This is the easy, foolproof way to make your steak. If you don't like it medium rare, just cook it a little bit longer. Hope y'all enjoyed. If y'all don't mind, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what y'all want to see me cook next, and I'll see y'all next time.